morning. It's 8:01 a.m. on a beautiful sunny Monday morning, and I'm driving through the town of Burlington, headed to Smith's Harbour to go out and boat with my son and grandson for a catfishing trip. So if you'd like to tag along, Matthew, just my son. His boat is still well on the go. Here comes Skipper Boy after all night working. Eh? Getting out and boat. Good morning, son. Morning, brother. You ready to go or what?
I see the baby.
Not getting any prettier today. Fish on.
Yeah, it's fun. Yeah.
The wind's going to the left side. Yeah. It's been 30 years on the water. Never ever come out of Smith's Harbour that way.
Really?
No. That one. Beauty. Oh, son, that's some good looking fish.
It is.
Beautiful fish. Some good eating, huh?
What is that?
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Snap her off, brother. Make her pluck. Cut in across, Matty. See. I can't there, Reed. It's a big one. Huh? Enjoy it, that is. Pat, rain in the pot. Watch it now, he got torns.
Yeah, they do. Like Connor, but he's redfish.
Yeah, what's his boat?
That's his,
bubble.
that's his
He's done.
Woo!
That's actually a nice size.
Bigger.
Bigger.
He got a big one. Well, it seems like we struck on him for just 2 minutes.
Good. Dang, what's in that thing there? That
Food.
Open it.
Caitlin, I'd say.
Open it.
Huh.
Ew.
Oh, Caitlin.
Bunch of Caitlin. It's like 6. This is weird. Brr.
Well, we never got a load, but we got a few. Huh?
If that rope pushed over, makes smart.
We got enough to make supper. So, anyway, it's a beautiful morning. And there's no better way to spend it. Huh?
I don't know, flour.
What we got here, buddy? Half cup of flour, a little bit of milk,
onions.
break egg, put in it. There we go.
This is compost.
Start stirring, huh? Stir, stir, stir. So there's a cup of flour. That's not a cup, actually. It's about a half cup. Half cup of flour, some milk, egg. Stir. Stir some. Stir it up. All of it. Size of the plate. There. Salt.
Do you need the pepper yet?
Yep, smack the pepper in there too.
I mean, that's enough.
That looks good. Now pop can up, but more. Just a little bit of parsley. I got to cook everything with parsley. A little bit of garlic powder, not rare either. There you go. Enough.
Mix it up. Now, do we gotta cut these, or do we just toss
Pick your onions apart. Now throw them in there. Look. Pick them apart. Pick the rings out. In the batter. Yep.
How do you eat it like that? This is gross. Oh.
There. All of it. Throw all of them in there.
Gross. They're so big chunks.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Do that.
Throw it in the onion.
Oh my goodness, what did she say? No, I don't need to.
The onion pieces is getting cooked. Looking good. The cod is in. And the onion rings are out. I'm being dipped in cherry sauce. So the cod is getting cooked. Looks good, what? Well, you can't have Newfoundland fish and chips without the chips. So 3 potatoes, sliced up, going right into the fat. So from the hook to the water in less than 4 hours. There we go. Good eating, boys. If you want, I'll try to write the recipe out. It's pretty simple, but it makes for some awful good fish and chips. So here we go. From the fishing up to the table in less than 4 hours. Awesome. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.